channel, I'm just gonna show you guys my curly hair routine, but I'm also gonna try a new product as well. So we're gonna see how well that works with my hair. And so my hair right now is really crusty and dusty. About to hop in the shower and come back out, and we're gonna try some products and style my hair. So I just got out the shower. I just put this thing on so my hair wouldn't dry out. Yeah, so this is what my hair looks like coming out of the shower. Didn't like shampoo my hair, I just co-washed my hair, so I use conditioner. And so it's really moist. Like, I use this really nice conditioner. Like, I'm in love with it. It's the Whole Blends by Garnier. And this kind is the olive kind. So the big bottle sells for like $6, which is pretty good because you're getting a lot of product in this. So this is like my second time buying it. Wow. It's like sliding slowly, so that's how thick that is. We can't waste product out here, okay? So I'm just gonna put some of it in my hair. Left some of the conditioner in my hair because I like doing that just so my hair doesn't dry out and stuff like that, like, while I'm doing my hair. So to start off, my hair is dry, I'll take a spray bottle. If you're black and you don't have a spray bottle, I'm convinced you're not black. You need to have a spray bottle. Spraying, because of course, in the span of 5 minutes, my hair already dried.
I can't find far away for your love.
Yeah, with my hair, there's no such thing as like dime size. They be lying on the bottle saying, use dime size for your curly hair. I'm like, what? I use half the bottle. I'm gonna take the coconut oil and just put it all throughout my hair. The Garnier Fructis. God, wow, I'm just spilling everywhere. Look at that, beautiful. Take it and put it everywhere. I feel like my curly hair routine is not that special. Like, I'm sorry, but I'm just keeping it real. Like, this is what I do. But I have good hair days and I have bad hair days, and you know, it's life. My hair always doesn't look on fleek. Let's be real. I got heat damage in front of my hair, which is terrible. I hate it so much. If I get heat damage, it's definitely in the front, like, which is so annoying because everybody sees the front of my hair. But whatever. I definitely came a long way from how my hair used to look. My hair was completely damaged. And I think I might post a video in the future of like how I got my hair from chemically damaged and like damaged with heat to like how it is now. So now that I got all of that in my hair, when I was a little kid, my mom used to use a spray bottle on my hair. I hated it so much because she would spray my face and I would literally cry and then she'd smack me with the broom on my head. Yeah. I'm gonna take this Maui Moisture product that I've never tried. And it says curl smoothie. Let's see the instructions. I'm just gonna take it. I'm not sectioning my hair because I'm too lazy for this.
The price was for free. I don't take it for granted. It means so much to me. It took no cross just for me. And the price was for free. I don't take it for granted. And that's why I've been searching far away for your love. Don't be lying. I can't find far away for your love.
Take some more for the other side of my hair. And it's okay if my hair is white, like, it's because of how much product I'm using, and it'll go away eventually, like when it dries up. Like, it's not going to dry up white. Some gels and some conditioners, they don't mix well together, so then they create a residue, like a white residue. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. Like if I am going somewhere and I want to make my hair last, then I will use some type of like gel product just to like lock my curls in and to keep them defined, and so I don't have to like re-wet my hair or like worry about it. Honestly, I just get up and go. So this is the product that I use if I'm trying to keep my hair and like make it last. That's the Ren Pure Coconut Curling Jelly. I love this stuff. It's like, it's not entirely like a gel. It really defines my curls, and yeah. It says, for thick, coarse curls, make sure hair is wet, make a small section of hair, re-wet with spray bottle. If the section is just dry before applying, smooth with fingers from root to tip to lengthen your curls and reduce the poof. And my hair got a whole lot of poof, so I love this stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys texture of my hair.
For your love, don't be lying. I can't find far away. For your love, don't be lying. And that's why I'm